Okay, I want everything maths related put away. Put everything maths related away. This must come from your own brain. It's actually not necessary to write the name or the date, but you can go ahead and do that. But I want you to open your workbook at the back. Cut out. I said 6 papers. It's marked as 6 papers, but obviously I was not focusing that day or something because it says 5A and 5B. These are your maths quizzes. 5A and 5B. So cut them smaller. You can cut the marks off. Grade 2. I don't mind if you cut this part that I wrote in brackets off because I have it here. So I will know how to mark it. Cut it smaller, paste it at the back of your workbook. The quizzes go in the back. It's been that way since we've started this online teaching thing. Quizzes go in the back. Then I just quickly wanted to show you guys something. And maybe it's important for you guys to show mommy and daddy this as well. On the first page of your guidelines, right here, it says all of the assessment activities you will be doing that week. What I would suggest you do is as soon as you send me the listening and speaking, you tick it off. As soon as you've done the phonics quiz, you tick it off. As soon as you've done the maths quiz, you tick it, and as soon as you've done the comprehension, you tick it. That way, you know, all of my assessments have been done. Miss Etzebeth has all of the marks that she needs, and I can start my new week fresh. Okay, that's just a little suggestion that I wanted to run by you guys. Okay, so we are at the number lines quiz. You have cut and pasted it into the back of your workbook. And now we can get started. Number 1. Which numbers have changed places? This one shows you an example. It says 7, 11, 9, 10, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that's not how we count. We actually say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the 11 and the 8 have changed places, so they shaded them. You can just draw a circle. Now you do these. Which 2 of the numbers in this line has switched places? I'm going to read them to you. 9, 10, 11, 15, 13, 14, 12, 16, 17, 18. Which 2 of those numbers have switched places? Draw circles around those 2 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 15, 13, 14, 12, 16, 17, 18. Which 2 make the counting incorrect? Then the one underneath it, remember to pause after I've explained so that you can answer and then carry on. So the next one, 10, 11, 12, 16, 14, 15, 13, 17, 18, 19. Which 2 of those numbers have switched places? 10, 11, 12, 16, 14, 15, 13, 17, 18, 19. Draw a circle around those 2. Good, then we are at number 2. Put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. The numbers are 43, 37, 56, 65, 93, 99, and 72. So, have a look at those. Which one is the smallest? Write it on this line. Which one comes after this number? Write it on this line. Which one comes after this number? Write it on this line. Use those numbers, put them in order from smallest to largest. Good, then we are moving on to number 3. You guys pause after I've read it so that you can write the answers. Number 3. Put these numbers in order from largest to smallest. So, 34, 82, 61, 15, 26, 45, 58. Write the largest number on the first line, the one that's just smaller than that on this line, the one that's smaller than that number on this line, and that way you carry on until you've come to the smallest one, from largest to smallest. Number 4, position these numbers on the number line. Here we go, number line work. The numbers in the word box or in the little box must be put on your number line. The numbers that they give you are 73, 68, 75, 69, 74, 76, 71, 72. You need to go find where they fit on the number line. The number line starts with 67, blank, blank, 70, blank, 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 blank. Go fill in all of those blank spots. And do not write the number in between. Look at where they wrote. 70 means this line is 70. This line is 67. This line, you go write a number. For this line underneath it, you go write a number. That's the way a number line works. Next one. 103, 101, 105, 96, 99, 102, 197. Now the number line gives you blank, blank, 98, blank, 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 104, blank. Go fill those numbers in on this number line. We are finished with the first page. We are moving on to the second one that starts by saying, above the line, draw in an arrow to show approximately. Approximately means about. You kind of estimate where the following should be. Now they did the first one for you, 73. They did it for you. Now the number line goes from 0 to 100. So now I have to figure out in my head, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. No, that doesn't work. So let's try in twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 100. No, that does not work. Let's try another one. Let's try counting in fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 100. Nope, still doesn't work. Try the one higher, maybe 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, so each line is a 10. So if you want, you can do this to make it easier for yourself. This is the only one I'm going to help you with this way, just so by the way. And now, they have put 73 over here. They drew an arrow and they put it around here. Why? Because 73 is after 70 and it's before 80. But you can't go across the middle because that's 75. So it's closer to 70 than it is to 80. Okay, you go do the same with 46, 85, 4, 38, and 97. Draw an arrow and write the number on top of the arrow to show me where those numbers fit on this number line. 46, where does 46 fit on the number line? Pause, draw your arrow, write the number. Where does 85 fit on the number line? Pause, draw an arrow, write the number. I just want to show you quickly. If I had to, between 70 and 80, say 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. That means 73 is about here. So if you want, you can go draw those little lines in to make it even more easy for yourself. Next one, 4. Where will 4 be on that number line? Pause. And then go write 4 in on the number line. Remember to draw the arrow. Next one, 38. Where does 38 fit on that number line? And then the next one, 97. Where does 97 fit on that number line? Good. and then you have the same task underneath, except now the numbers are 14, 34, 58, 41, 3, and 79. So set up your number line, fill in all of your little lines and the numbers that you need in order to be able to put those numbers on the number line. And then get started. 14, where does 14 go on that number line? I showed you exactly how to do it on the first one. Grade 2, I'm just saying the video might cut off. So this might go into a second video. I'm just saying. Good, next one, 34. Where does 34 go on that number line? We are here. You are writing it on this number line now. Next one, 58. Where does 58 go on this number line? Draw your arrow and write the number on top. Next one, 41. Where does 41 go on this number line? Three. Where does 3 go on this number line? And then the last one, 79. Where does 79 belong on this number line? Draw your arrow where it belongs and write the number on top like they did for 73 at the top. Good, I'm quickly going to say this. Write a number by each arrow to show approximately the number it represents. You again divide it into how you can get it from 0 to 100. And then underneath each arrow, tell me about which number is it. Which number would fall here, 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 and here. You will need to go figure that out. Draw your small lines, do your counting, do it properly, and figure out which number belongs under those arrows. I'm going to stop the video now because I'm afraid it's just going to simply cut off. So go do your last one. Underneath each of those arrows at the bottom, write what number could it possibly be. Okay, remember your small lines and use your counting.